So guys, open any browsers to Google search box, search like you can see here Lenovo ThinkPad P16 and go to this first URL pcsupport.lenovo.com. So you can see this guys, if you showing here your different system, so no worry, you just enter your laptop serial number and then click to search here and hit enter. Okay, it will show your system, which is you put your device serial number. After that you can see this is all the separate drivers showing here. So guys, fingerprint reader, just click, and this is type of fingerprint. Click to download, you can see here it is completed. Just one click to setup, then yes, then okay, then next, I accept, the next, install, next, install. Then you can see this is fingerprint reader is successfully installed, Windows 10 64-bit and Windows 11 64-bit. So finished. Then restart your system. Thank you.